Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on when I work. Efficient employee scheduling and workforce management are crucial for businesses of all sizes. When I Work is a powerful yet easy to use scheduling software that helps businesses streamline employee shifts, track attendance, and improve team communication all in one place. In this guide, we'll show you how to set up and use When I Work to manage employee schedules, track time, and boost workplace productivity. Whether you're running a small business, a retail store, a restaurant, or a large enterprise, this software helps eliminate scheduling conflicts and automates time consuming tasks. So before we get started, first let us know what is When I Work. When I Work is a cloud-based employee scheduling and time tracking software that simplifies workforce management for businesses. It allows employers and managers to create, share, and manage shift schedules in real time, ensuring that employees are always up to date with their work hours. With built-in communication tools, employees can swap shifts, request time offs, and clock in/out from their mobile devices, reducing confusion and last-minute changes. When I Work is widely used across various industries, including restaurants, healthcare, retail, hospitality, and service-based businesses where shift-based scheduling is essential. So now let's get started. So first, what you want to do is head over to When I Work's official website. And from here, you can always start a free trial. So simply sign up for an account. Then after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, they will welcome us to the scheduler. So how would we like to get started? So we can either import our setup. You can choose this if you already have your setup and you want to import it to When I Work. You can let When I Work help you get started or simply explore on your own. So I recommend you choosing this, help me get started. So as you can see, this is the scheduler setup. So you can add positions, so you can organize employees by their qualifications. So as you can see, positions are assigned to employees and shifts. Position represents the job duty of a shift and what duties an employee is qualified to do. Let's say we can add manager, cashier. So let's just add that for now. Continue. So we have these shift templates. So we can add the time range right here. Let's say 9 a.m. And then the position is the manager. Unpaid break. So let's say 30 minutes. Click on continue. And from here, you can add your employees. So simply add in their names, add in their email or mobile numbers, and the position they worked. Click on finish. And as you can see, this is what your scheduler will look like. It's right here. So you will see their shifts right here. As you can see, you can create your first shift, add a shift. So you can add the time you entered right here. And you can also add position, your breaks, the tags, shift task lists, shift notes, and also request time off right here. So you can always uh, request time offs when clicking on a specific date. Click on time off right here. As you can see, you can request your time off. So this is what your scheduler will look like, or basically your calendar. So next we have our dashboard right here. So this is the getting started section for When I Work. So to get to know When I Work, you can always follow all of the steps right here, such as adding users to your schedule, create your first shift, publish your schedule, and get the mobile app. When you scroll down, you will see what is for today's schedule. As you can see right here, we have the task lists. You can create a new list if you want. Also, we have the calendar sync. You can always sync your calendar too. We have the attendance notices, today's snapshots, open shifts, the work labor costs. So basically, this is your main dashboard where you can see everything for your work. Next, we have the attendance. As you can see right here, you can streamline your time tracking and see real labor costs. So to get started, just click here to start setup. So just simply follow all of this. Let's say the start date is March 4, end date is 31. Confirm your pay period length. Let's say weekly or every 2 weeks or first and 16th of the month. Let's say weekly. As you can see, this is your first two pay periods. Last year, they will automatically generate the next one. Now you can also select how will employees clock in via the mobile device or the computer. So you can always choose both. So you can also select this. So to make sure that they are working. So as you can see, employees must be near location to clock in or clock out. So it just depends on you and how you want to set this up. So if you're done, simply click on Finish Setup. And as you can see, this is now your attendance. So we can also build the first timesheet. So to add a timesheet, just add a new user or your workmate or teammate. Basically, this is how your timesheets will look like. Next, we have the time tracker. This is your time tracker. You can always explore on how you can use this for your business needs. You have the clock in. So this is how you can clock in if you have a schedule for today. Also lock as terminal. Now next is we have our work chat. So we have the work chat right here. So let's just finish setup. And from here, this app settings. As you can see now, we have the work chat. So we can chat whatever we like right here, and every member of your team can see it. You see it's read by everyone, so I'm the only one here in this team. You can also send photos if you want, attach photos. And lastly is the reports. As you can see, we have the reports right here. We also have custom reports, so you can add new reports if you want to. So that's basically all for the features of When I Work. So simply feel free to explore more about how When I Work can help you with your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.